riders, welcome to Motomos once again. So as we said যে আমাদের চ্যানেলে এখন অনেক রকম ভিডিওস আসবে, অনেক রকম টাইপের ভিডিওস আসবে বাইকিং অ্যাকসেসরিজে। সো আজকের ভিডিওটা হচ্ছে টপ 15 at least I will say, কেন at least 15টা টপ ডিমান্ডিং হেলমেটস আছে অ্যাজ অফ নাও ইন 2021। সো সেই কটা ডিজাইন নিয়ে আজকে এসছি, আর সেই ডিজাইনসগুলো দেখাবো কি কি আছে। এখানে যে কটা আছে তো আছে এগুলো, তার সাথেও আরও আছে টপ 15 অ্যাকচুয়ালি আজকে আমরা দেখাবো। তো ফার্স্টে আমরা যেটা নিয়ে শো করবো সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের MT as we all know, it's a famous brand and this is one of the most demanding helmet right now for the riders. The model name is Otaku. It's a Stinger model, comes for a price for 5250 and very lightweight. It's a single visor and the padding is awesome as we all know about MT, and it's had the lock and it comes with a pin lock and anti-fog is available. So this goes for MT. If you come for Exor, the most demanding is this Apex Vivid model. As you all know, a lot of customers took this Apex Vivid model. So again, this is one of the most demanding helmet in case of Exor, and it has anti-fog inbuilt, and it has also the sunglass as well. So very budget friendly helmet. It's come for a price for 4994. So again, if you are asking for the most demanding helmets of Exor, it's the Vivid. Then we again have MT Blade 2. MT Blade 2 we have where we have this lock. Comes with a very premium padding, as you can see. It is also have the double glass, and it comes for a price of 8350. So again, as you can see. Then there are know about LS2. So now LS2 also has come with a premium flip-up helmet. So people who are asking for a premium flip-up helmet, you can go for it. It's a LS2 Metro Evo. Very wonderful, and padding is awesome. It also has double glass as well. So sun visor, as we say, UV protected. And the color combination will get a lot more color combination. It's one of the model. So this goes for LS2. Again, the top, you can say the top 5. He is among top 5. So this comes with Exor 299 HP model. Like it has an awesome demand on with our riders. When XBHP came to Kolkata, it has an awesome demand, and obviously it's an awesome helmet. As we know, it has been to all India. So Exor has its own quality and brand. It comes with again anti-fog and the double glass. Padding is removable, Bluetooth compatible, as we all know, and awesome quality. I don't have to say more about that because it's the I the bike or we the power. So all the helmets are DOT and EC certified. The range, as you can see, is around 5,000 to 20,000 is here on the first lot. So as we know, the brand AGV, it's a K3 model. It's a balloon model, so you can see the graphics, awesome graphics. Personally, I liked it, so I can buy one for myself as well. Excellent. It's a ML size, but very limited stock is with us. So if you want to buy, please do Instagram or do like contact us. We will give the contact number on the description below, and do subscribe because lots of new demanding helmets. Those who are like not in Kolkata but are seeing this video, they can also order, and the shipping will be free of cost. So this comes for the top 6 helmets. Then we'll show you the next lot. That was the top 6, and now the next top 6, as we said. So we will start with let's start with SMK. SMK, this is a glide model, glide flash model, very limited edition model, but again very demanding, so we gave it as per order only. It comes with mercury glass, UV protected, and it also has the double glass, as we know, and this is a flip-up helmet, again one of the premium flip-up helmet. Lots of color comes on this model. You can also get it in black, green and black, red as well. The price of this comes for a price for 6,000. and it's a EC certified. One of the LS2 model. It's a LS2 breaker model. Very good padding. The graphics are also good. Comes with a pin lock, and it also has a double visor, sun visor as well. Removable padding, as we all know, and the price is 8,250. So if you're LS2 lover, you can go for this. Then again we have SMK. It's a SMK Stellar model. People love it. The youngster basically love the color of it and the graphics of it, and it's a very good graphics, as we know. It's a Stellar model. Comes for a price of 4,300, and it is a single glass model, so it's not a double glass. This is one of the most demanding, and it comes in the variant of top 10, as you can see. It's a Ridex helmet, very light helmet. They have come recently, but they are having a good response from the riders and as from myself as well. So very good graphics, as we know. It's color of Rossi graphics, the K1 series type, but the price is very economical. It comes for a price of 4,590. It's a single glass helmet, so you can try for this as well. The MT Hummer, the new stock of MT, which is the MT Hummer helmet. Basically, the graphics are obviously awesome for MTs, but they have made the jaws more broad, as you can see. So it's more safety and it's more protected. The cushioning is awesome. They never take any lose advantage of not making a good padding. The paddings are awesome. So again, one of the most demanding helmet as of now, because it has come newly, and as you can see. Last but not the least, again AJV. AJV, this is again, I loved it. It's a gloss model. So the price is 19,999. It's a top Rossi K1 Mugello model. Very limited stock. Sad to say that, but hopefully within this COVID, like after this COVID, we can work upon the stocks. But right now, very limited stocks. If you love it, do text us. If you are want to take shipping, delivery charges are free, as we said. Please do subscribe our channel to see more collection of helmets. Not only helmets, we'll show you more collection of our accessories as well. So here comes the signature helmets of Motomos. Very unique helmets. So those who love being unique on the streets, or be the one on the streets, so these are the helmets. Very demanding helmets on the youngster as well as for the riders as well. First comes with the Exor. This is a very newly added helmets in Exor. It's a fiberglass model. The model name is Exor Jetstar. The color is awesome, and if you like to be unique again on the streets, this is one of your choice. The Predator helmet, as we all can see, the Predator helmet, very unique look. So this one also, there is colors also of it, black, green, any color you want is there. Then we have the Iron Man model structures. First comes with this one. Hopefully you like it, and it has a Jace Films autograph on it. So it's a big offer for you guys, those who are a big fan of Jason, and you can go for this. And there are different colors of this: red, green, and grey, as you can see. So hopefully you like the video. You like the most demanding helmets of now on 2021. If you like anything else on this background, you can also take a screenshot and send it to us. We can even, as we said, we can even ship the product. So be there, subscribe, and like the video if you liked it, and share with your friends, those who are bike lovers. And even if you want to gift someone on your birthday or any events, you can gift helmets as well. Do subscribe for more videos. We will see you soon. Cheers.